the arrival of His Excellency
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kandi wabaryo umujenyi mukuru aha mukorogo yashobora uko government ya NRM etwirenesha Abakazi. President Museveni nagamba ngo mubaro gw'abakazi bari kufana bazara gurumuntu gushuma kandi hatobucwe kanshanje na bushato harigana obw'abakazi n'abazaro marwaro.
You find that maternal mortality, mothers who are giving birth, in 2011 was 438 out of 100,000. It is now 336. It has gone down by more than 100. Of course, this is still not acceptable, but it's much lower than it was 10 years ago.
I am left without an education.
Omibyo bwegese President Museveni yashobora kwa kwenda ngo amashomero ga government gona gabago kushomeseza busha ari kugira ngo mubaro gw'abakazi abashomere okwiha umwaka gwa 1996 gweyonjire okuraga habucwe kama 23 harigana atabari habucwe kanshanje na bibira harigana kandi abashija bari habucwe kacinana na kamwe harigana.
As I speak now, in 2001, the girls 24%. But today, they are 49.9%, almost 50% of the enrollment in schools. And the literacy rate for women now is 72%. It has gone from 43% in 1986. It is still a bit lower than the men, because the men are now 81%.
Museveni nabwo yashobora ko government erukuza kongera kutungura intasi y'umuntu wa burijo erukurabira mu program zayo ezemyoga hamwe na parish development model.
450 seedlings would require 180,000 shillings. So therefore, I am guiding you the parish development models. When you are implementing, give each borrower 1 million shillings. Don't give him too little. Give him 1 million so that if he wants to plant coffee seedlings, he will use 180,000 to buy the seedlings, and the remaining 820 to do the other things, dig the holes, do this, bring the mulching, the what.
As gender inequalities persist around societies, women and girls' capacity to make appropriate decisions and adapt to changes in climate are limited, yet they are more vulnerable to extreme climate changes. With climate change, Mr. President, water is becoming scarce, and many women and girls walk long distances looking for water and firewood.
Aha mukorogo bamwe abakazi abakirize yo kukoraje omukutungura ihanga bajwe kwemedadi.
She is one of the best female shooters in Uganda Police Force and has represented the force in international competitions.
Emkoreji yahiko abantu binje bebitinisa abaramo omuhezi wa President Jessica Arupo enganzi yihanga Robina Nabanja abanyabyobutegetsi abanyadini hamwe n'abandi binji. Aha bwati West area Sartugusa.